Had a couple people ask me today, what are you doing today? Well, nothing too fun. It's not all fun and games here on the farm. Check this out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Boom! Yeah, and today I'm playing around with this 756 gas. You can see I've got the battery pulled out. It's on trickle charge. It was on trickle charge all night. Now, what I've done to this electrically is completely change the wiring out. I did not go and buy a $500 wiring harness for it, but this is a brand new alternator, built-in voltage regulator. The first one they gave me did not have one in it. And I told the guy, I says, yeah, I said, the one I'm trading in, the core I'm trading in, does have an internal voltage regulator. I need one with, gave me one without it. Man, I had all kinds of crap I dealt with. But anyways, put this one in. It has an internal voltage regulator, and there's a chance that it's gone bad because I pull the negative terminal off the battery, the tractor stops. However, the last time I had this, what are you guys doing? You want treats? Oh yeah, you do. But the last time this happened, everything was done and whatnot, and I had a problem with the Bendix on the starter. It was staying engaged, and it was keeping everything just a little bit hot. So I'd go out to start the tractor in a day or two, and it wouldn't start. The battery was dead. So I'm gonna mess with the starter a little bit. I did pull that out, and I put, instead of, the first time I put WD-40 on it. Now this time, the second time, which was a while back, I used dry graphite. That doesn't mean it's working. This is the original starter. Now this is a gas tractor, so these starters do not take the same amount of abuse or beating that a diesel tractor does, because let's say it's cold out or whatever, guys will sit and crank the crap out of these with a diesel in the winter time, and they just take a beat down. But a gasser, you pull the choke, hit the button and it starts right up. So not a lot of abuse on these, but they do need some TLC nonetheless. And your starter actually will cause you a lot of electrical problems that the battery and the alternator get blamed for. So I'm going to play around today with this and go from there. And it just seems to be an electrical kind of day, because I'm having issues with the M back feeding, and I'll walk over there and show you. And I had to pull the wiring, or not the wires, the battery cables off of this. I'm gonna have to put a diode in line on this because it is trickling back. H-Turbo, if you're watching this, you had to do the same thing, I do believe you said, and whatnot. This inline filter is gonna need changed. I ran it all spring. Filter will definitely need change. Carburetor should be good to go and whatnot. I do want to put an inline on this tractor, just because, I don't know if it's our fuel around here or not, but every once in a while I have to tap on this. It is due for a rebuild, and I will be doing that. And the chickens are back there going absolutely ape crap. And the baby chick is 2 weeks old today, but I won't go into that. That's a different video. On the combine, I can tell you on the combine, mice have chewed the wires to the point where the fuel gauge doesn't work. I'm gonna have to get in. It's just an electrical mess here, this whole place. So that's what's going on. And hey, it's like this. If anybody's got any advice, I'll take it in the comments below. If not, thanks for watching, and I'll do an update video as to where I'm at and what I found. Thanks for watching.